cutting string or ribbon. It is permitted to cut string destructively, right? Thus, one may cut or tear the string that is wrapped around the parcel. I mean, today we don't have parcel, but in my days, yeah, we had parcel, and you have to like build your own box. I mean, of course, you can buy from the post office, but many people would make their own boxes from pieces of wood and from plywood, right? You buy many nails, and you can build your own like a parcel box, and on top, like you would put like this string, so the person can carry. It's very interesting, right? So if you get this parcel, so you can cut. But I think today the more practical would be like when you buy cookies. Or like cookies, cakes, like something from the bakery. So they usually, since they sell these pieces individually, there is no packages. So there is like boxes, right? The different sizes, and they put in the box, and they close usually like the store or something. So and they would put the string. Sometimes they would put like tied in double knots. That you're not allowed to open on Shabbos, or sometimes they do nut in the ball or whatever they do. So basically, they want it to be safe, right? So these things you can cut destructively. One may also cut a string which label is connected to a garment, or the string holding together a new pair of gloves or slippers. Okay, so string there is no problem to cut. So meaning it's very practical. You wanna wear your brand new shirt, right? And you forgot to remove the price tag. So it is allowed. There is no problem. You're allowed to cut this price tag with the scissors. Some people do it with the teeth. I mean, right? But you're allowed to cut. There is no problem. Okay, because it's destructive and you're throwing it out, and it's not part of the garment. Or another example, he said from the gloves or the slippers. All right, slippers. I would say even from socks. Sometimes socks also like connected. Right, so you're allowed to cut. Okay, so it's destructive fashion, and for sure you're going to throw out. Next one, removing safety pins. According to most authorities, it is prohibited to remove a safety pin that was threaded through garment twice, right? As we said, like because it was like sewing, right? So meaning, this safety pin is comparable, according to this poskim, to the regular thread. Okay. Thread. So again, the whole sentence. According to the most authorities, it is prohibited to remove a safety pin that was threaded through the garment twice, right? Meaning that you are able to close it, was left there for more than 7 days. So 7 days is what, as we said before, it says page 69, long time ago. So we said it means it's permanent. 7 days is permanent. So we're not allowed to open it. Next one, last one actually, removing staples. It is forbidden on Shabbos to undo staples that attach several pieces of paper. Okay. Likewise, it is forbidden to undo cleaner stacks that was stapled to the garment. So that's the thing. So I mean, at least the one that we use, they staple like and it's like hard staples, like it's not like staples that they usually use for what is it, for to touch paper. Like these staples are tough. I'm not sure why they use such a type staples, but that they were used. But a few times, unfortunately, I forgot to remove these tags from the cleaner. So I just left it like that, and there is no problem. You can walk out with them because they are like firmly attached. Of course, it's not part of the garment, but they attach to the garment. So like in a permanent manner, meaning these staples is for sure it's permanent manner. Okay, so we finish this chapter.